Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change Windows language on Zotac Gaming handheld. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the Settings, then open Time and the Language, go for Language and Region. Inside we'll be able to find our Windows display language. If you have different packages installed, you can click right here already to change between different options. If you have only one option, then you can click on Add Language, find whichever language you like. For example, this one, we can click on Next and then install the language pack and handwriting, and we can already set this language as our default one for the Windows, but it will need to download. And let's not do that and just install the language. If you've already changed your language right here, as I said, and it still didn't work, try restarting your handheld, then see if it changed. If not, we need to go for our administrative language settings. Then in the change system locale, make sure that you have set the language that you've downloaded right here and click on OK. Then we need to go for the format, and in the format make sure that you either have auto settings, match Windows display language, or pick the one that you've downloaded as well. Then you can click on OK and your language should change. You also need to restart your PC again, maybe even a few times, and it should apply. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.